Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the invalid kernel handle bug. Check has a value of 0x00000093. This bug check indicates that an invalid or protected handle was passed to NtClose. So NtClose, or you might also be getting an ntoskrnl.exe file potentially being mentioned in the blue screen error here. So hopefully this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, on how to go about resolving this problem. And without further ado, let's go ahead and just jump straight into it. So we are going to start off, open up the start menu, type in CMD. Best results should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now we're going to have a few commands in the description of the video. You just want to copy the first one. It's just an SFC command, so just copy that from the description of my video and then go up to the top bar of the command prompt here, right click on it, select edit, and then select paste to paste it in. Hit enter on your keyboard. This will begin the system file checker utility scan, and it will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so you can see the first scan has finished here. So now we're going to go ahead and copy in the next command. So just go into the description of my video, it's a dism command, and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select edit, and then paste it in. Okay, so here we go, guys. Looks like it finished. At this point, we recommend restarting your computer, and then hopefully that should be about it. So let's just go ahead and restart our system. Okay, there you go, guys. I think we're good to go at this point. So as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.